It is week 6 here on the mini braids hair growth channel, where I'm using mini braids to grow my natural hair long, healthy and strong. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome or welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. So it's already 6 weeks. We are halfway through this challenge. Congratulations to everyone who's made it this far. We have not got long to go. And this is what my mini braids are looking like 6 weeks in. So in last week's video, which was a bit of a downer, I told you all the problems that I was having with my mini braids. So I was getting lots of shedding as I took out the front of my hair. But of course, this week my hair is looking great again, very raring to go, and it's looking much better. Of course, I talked to you in that video that shedding and breakage is all a normal part of our natural hair journey, and the most important thing to do when you are experiencing any sort of setback on your natural hair is to just leave it alone, and also just don't worry about it. Of course, there's one thing that I am on this channel, and it is consistent. So I'm gonna leave my hair alone. However, I'm gonna be very consistent. In today's video, you will see me once again going through a wash day and doing my normal weekly routine on my natural hair. Week 6, I'm feeling great. My hair is growing. There's lots and lots of growth underneath there, and I'm just feeling really great about having these mini braids in. However, as I said to you, it is on the back of my mind that as I take these down, I might experience more breakage than normal, but perhaps my hair is just at a natural stage where it's just losing hair. So then, to talk you through my routine a bit, so I wash my hair now every week. I've been washing my hair quite a lot, just because it's a lot easier to go through a wash day in mini braids. I'm taking advantage of doing that, so that weekly moisturize on a wash day. I'm adding protein in, which is what you see here in this video. This protein conditioner is from Jamaica. It's quite a strong protein, and you only leave it in your hair for minutes. Typically, my wash day in mini braids is only taking about half an hour to 40 minutes, and that's if I leave the treatments on. So I usually start my wash day with a warm water rinse, and then I follow up with a bottle with diluted shampoo on my scalp, followed by applying conditioner, and I don't rinse in between, and that is purely my personal preference to save a lot of time. Weekly wash days also ensure that I stay on top of my dermatitis, of getting rid of the dandruff and buildup, which I've been experiencing more of a lot lately, and that can be washed away in my normal weekly hair routine. So my weekly hair routine keeps it consistent. I know I've got to make a video, and so that keeps me really on target, on schedule, and accountable. And I've talked to you about setting hair goals, being accountable, and making steps to actually achieve those hair goals. It is only 3 more months left for the rest of the year, so I'm really laser focused on trying to grow my hair out as much as possible, and I hope you are as well. It's not too late to set hair goals and to meet them, and on this channel I'm really motivating you to do so. Once again, subscribe to this channel and do switch your notification bell on, because I'll be giving you weekly inspiration on how to grow your natural hair long. So after applying that protein conditioner, I then go ahead and add normal conditioner on top of my hair. Once again, I'm trying to do this as fast as possible, and the great thing about mini braids is the convenience that it allows me to do a wash day in such a short time, knowing that once my wash day is finished, my hair is already done, and so there is no styling required. I absolutely love the easygoing, carefree way I wear my hair in mini braids. It's really not a lot to do. By week 6, of course, you have to be careful about buildup, and as you see, I redid the front of my hair, and in next week's video I'll be redoing the nape of my hair, just to keep on top of the buildup to those areas, because I don't want to get too much buildup and then lose progress on those areas. And then with my wash day, I'm maintaining the length of my hair. My mini braids have come a long way. If this is your very first video on my channel, it's by no means my first mini braids challenge. There's many playlists on this channel showing you how to use mini braids to grow your natural hair. And if mini braids is not for you, also check out my mini twists playlist, and also my general videos on how to grow up your never had long hair there, to inspire ladies like myself who actually didn't never believe that they could achieve long hair. And for me, this is really long because my hair has never ever been long. So once again, check out those playlists to inspire you to grow your natural hair. I would also really love to hear from each and every one of you on the challenge. Please let me know how you're getting on. If there's any questions that you have about using mini braids to grow your natural hair, or indeed any problems that you are facing 6 weeks in to this challenge, do pop them down below in the comment section. I'm really looking forward to hearing from each and every one of you. And also, you can help this channel, push this channel up in the algorithm by giving this video a like and also leaving me a comment. So I really am grateful for those comments, for getting this content out there. I know there's lots of ladies looking for really easy, simple and cheap ways of growing your natural hair, and I found mini braids, and I've really dedicated quite a lot of this channel to showing you how to do that. So please go ahead and give this video a like. Once again, as I said in my previous video, if you've never used mini braids on your hair for 12 weeks straight, please try at some point to redo your mini braids. If you saw my earlier challenges, I was redoing my hair about every 4 weeks, and I made it 6 weeks, 8 weeks, and then I made it to 12 weeks. So try not to go for a full stretch if this is your first mini braids challenge. I would say here at week 6 is the perfect time to just redo your braids. Yes, it will be time consuming, but you will also don't know at what point your hair will lock. So it's best to actually do it now than to get to 12 weeks and realize that your hair is locked, or worse still, you have a ton of breakage from something that could have been avoided. So my advice at this stage is to redo your mini braids. I'm going to pursue, as I said, life is quite busy and I cannot redo all of these braids, so they're going to stay in. But if I did have the time, I would go ahead and redo my mini braids. So once I let my product sit on my hair, then I go ahead and rinse it out. And this is my hair all rinsed out, looking nice and moisturized, really beautiful. And as I said, it doesn't matter that some sections are breaking. I'm really just appreciating the sections that are growing okay. And I'm nursing back the areas that are breaking back to life. So that's my hair. It's looking fantastic. For being in for 6 weeks, I'm really excited about this set of mini braids. I'm seeing a lot of length on my natural hair, and I just crave a bit more thickness. And so in my routine, I'm going to be I'm using a lot more of my own hair growth oil on my scalp as well, and I'm also using castor oil along the length of my hair just to get a little bit more thickness in, because I love to have thick hair. So here I'm showing you the end of my wash day. I will follow this my usual treatment of applying a curl and sealing that in, and also adding something to my scalp. These days it's mainly my own hair growth oil. Be nice and moisturized, nice and beautiful. Once again, do let me know how you're finding week 6 down below in the comment section, and also give my video a like. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.